The flames are lapping at the computer.
I have to go through that whole metal siding.
It'll
Once the metal
take
heats up, it's done.
it'll take a while.
This is gonna be epic.
I can't see him. I have a light. Eric supplied the computer, and I supplied the extra
Extra
Pop!
Pa, 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 pa. Get some. Yeah!
So it's
Far away, we should just have the video showing Aaron Moss fitting. Boom, boom, boom!
If we could time it right, somebody should jump over the fire during the explosions.
Wow.
that would be like suicide.
Oh no. It would
That
hurt.
would be not good.
Maybe we need some flour to flow in.
You got some in there.
I'd have some in my car. Well, not my car, but Doug's car.
Keep us occupied.
Oh, the face of it's melting.
I doubt that's it.
It might be.
Yeah, there's more in there than that.
Say something? I can hear you. What?
The face of the computer's melted over here.
It's
Is
on
it really?
fire on the
Yeah.
inside.
There we go. Now
Yep.
we got
The
fire on
plastic
the
is
inside.
burning.
That's awesome.
I don't think it's done yet.
Wow.
Danny, you are a brave soul.
Yeah, I know.
I got hit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your neighbors call you for thinking you have automatic weapons.
Some of my neighbors probably would call us in.
Really?
Yeah.
That kind of neighbor?
Yeah. Our neighbor right here between us and 41. Yeah.
Look at all the paper lying around the fire.
No kidding.
I see blue flames.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Watch that paper right there so it doesn't spread to the grass.
I love how the plastic front of it's completely gone now.
I think it's mostly gone. Never mind.
It's gotten a lot warmer here too.
Oh,
Oh,
You okay?
yeah. Ricochet.
Look at all the paper machete left everywhere. Machete left everywhere.
Mache is the thing, the word you were looking for, but it's more like confetti.
it's gonna be popping all night.
I can't believe they're still going.
There's this giant inferno in there. Not exploded.
That was epic.
That was awesome.